Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on Indian agricultural environment. Let's start with question number 1. Which of the following is the commercial crop in India? Your options are A. Mustard, B. Tobacco, C. Jute, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 2. Which agency is responsible for procurement, distribution and storage of food grain production in India? Your options are A. Ministry of Agriculture, B. Food Corporation of India, C. NAFED, D. TRIFED, and the answer is B. Food Corporation of India. Question number 3. Who regulates the markets in agricultural products in India? Option A. Essential Commodities Act 1955, B. Agricultural Produce Market Committee Act enacted by states, C. Agricultural Produce Grading and Marking Act 1937, D. Food Products Order 1956 and Meat and Food Products Order 1973. So the answer is B. Agricultural Produce Market Committee Act enacted by states. Question number 4. Which sector is the backbone of Indian economy? Option A. Service sector, B. Financial sector, C. Tourism sector, D. Agriculture sector, and the correct answer is D. Agriculture sector. Question number 5. Who announced the launch of Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana? Option A. Narendra Modi, B. Dr. Manmohan Singh, C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, D. I.K. Gujral, and the answer is B. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Question number 6. Which among the following does not belong to welfare scheme for the farmers? A. Kisan Credit Card Scheme, B. SHG Bank Linkage Program, C. National Agricultural Insurance Scheme, D. Employee Referral Scheme, and the answer is D. Employee Referral Scheme. Question number 7. When did the government present Kisan Credit Card Scheme? Option A. April 1853, B. August 1998, C. July 1991, D. November 1995, and the answer is B. August 1998. Let's move on question number 8. When was the new agricultural policy established? Option A. July 2000, B. March 2002, C. March 2004, D. January 2004, and the answer is A. July 2000. Question number 9. What does the draft APMC Act define as a single unified market area? Option A. State, B. Each UT, C. Each village, D. Both A and B, and the correct answer is D. Both A and B. Question number 10. An Agricultural Produce Market Committee, that is APMC, is established by which of the following? Option A. Government, B. Central Government, C. NABARD, D. Ministry of Home Affairs, and the answer is A. Government. Question number 11. A model APMC Act has been introduced in which year? Option A. 2000, B. 2005, C. 2003, D. 2001, and the correct answer is C. 2003. Question number 12. Who announced the introduction of National Food Security Act? A. Pranav Mukherjee, B. Manmohan Singh, C. P. Chidambaram, D. Arun Jaitley, and the correct answer is A. Pranav Mukherjee. Question number 13. Which among the following does not belong to the India's major large-scale industries? Option A, cotton textile industry. B, iron and steel industry. C, jute industry. D, khadi and village industry. And the correct answer is D, khadi and village industry. Question number 14. In India, agriculture income is calculated by A, output method, B, input method, C, expenditure method, D, commodity flow method. And the correct answer is A, output method. Question number 15. Who recommends the MSP and issue prices? Option A, Ministry of Agriculture. B, Planning Commission. C, NABARD. D, Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. And the answer is D, Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. Question number 16. How many commodities covered under the MSP? Option A, 24. B, 28. C, 31. D, 49. And the correct answer is A, 24. Question number 17. NABARD was set up with an initial capital of A, 50 crore, B, rupees 100 crore, C, rupees 200 crore, D, none of the above. And the correct answer is B, rupees 100 crore. Question number 18. What is the NABARD pilot project for digitalization of SHGs called? A, E-Shakti, B, E-Samriddhi, C, E-Shanti, D, E-Samraksha. And the correct answer is D, E-Samraksha. Question number 19. PMKSY stands for A, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, B, Pradhan Mantri Krida Sanchar Yojana, C, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sahyog Yojana, D, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Samman Yojana. And the correct answer is A, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Question number 20. Agriculture consumes 60% of available water resources. Despite the availability, only dash of the agriculture land is irrigated. Option A, 74%, B, 44%, C, 47%, D, 77%. And the correct answer is C, 47%. Question number 21. India is the dash largest producer of wheat and rice, the world's major food staples. Option A, second, B, third, C, first, D, fourth. And the correct answer is A, second. Question number 22. Agriculture is the basic source of dash all of the countries of the world, whether underdeveloped, developing, or even developed. Your options are A, money supply, B, human resource supply, C, food supply, D, goods supply. And the correct answer is C, food supply. Question number 23. The agriculture sector plays a vital role in the Indian economy. Agriculture contributes about 16% of the total dash. Option A, GDP, B, GAV, C, GST, D, NPA. And the correct answer is A, GDP. Question number 24. Agriculture progress permits the shift of manpower from A, non-agriculture to agricultural sector, B, agricultural to non-agricultural sector, C, industry to service sector, D, service to agricultural sector. And the correct answer is B, agricultural to non-agricultural sector. Question number 25. What is the full form of APNCR? Option A, Agricultural Price Marketing Committee Regulation, B, Agricultural Promotion Marketing Committee Regulation, C, Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee Regulation, D, Agriculture Produce Marketing Commission Regulation. And the correct answer is C. Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee Regulation. Question number 26. Which of the following got accredited by the Green Climate Fund as a national implementing entity for undertaking climate change related projects in India? Your options are A. SIDBI, B. NABARD, C. Mudra, D. EPFO. And the correct answer is B. NABARD. Let's move on question number 27. Which sector got priority in the first 5-year plan? Option A. Agriculture, B. Industrial, C. Infrastructure, D. Communication. And the correct answer is A. Agriculture. Thank you.